Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the cold spray process by using multi-particles. It can be two, three, more or random particles on the target or workpiece. Here we use aluminium as the target material and three particles. You can change anything here like the geometry or the number of the particles. If I click on the platform shape, you can see here, see, this is the first and this is the third. And let me use this view here, you can see, and let me use no edge. It is a better view. And now let me click on this to get the stress. Click on animate, see the stress. You can use also random impacts, we use three impacts. You can use random with random radius of the particle. We use the same, but you can change it. For instance, the nodal temperature or the temperature here a little bit is more, and that's because the high velocity impact at this zone between the particles. Note with subtract here. You can check the plastic strain. Or if I use mesh, this is the final view. We can get the contact stress, shear stress, or anything else to velocity. Here you can see the maximum is less than 16 meter per second, and here this is the stress. So if you want to model cold spray deposition by using multi-particle impacts, you can see multi-particles. You can use 5, 6, 7, any particles. You can use this tutorial. Uh, by using this tutorial, you will learn all things about the geometry, material, step, interaction, load, mesh, and the technical that you need to do to consider the distortion and overcome of that in this tutorial. So if you need this tutorial, come to our website here, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on title or blue sign, then you will have the geometries here, assembly, step, interaction, load, and then the result as figures. You can see, and this is a temperature diagram at the impact zone. It is the high value for the impact zone, but for around that we have less temperature. The cost for the CAE-INP paper English video is 30 euros. You can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard. Contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process. Also, we have a full package. We have a full package contains around 400 or more than 400 tutorials about all aspects of simulation and modeling in Abaqus. Also, we have some tutorial in ANSYS. So you can see here, these are the main title here, main title, and also there are many subtitles in these main titles, and you can learn everything from this full package. The cost for this full package is so affordable, and it is so logical for the student, engineer, or teachers. If you want this full package, contact me to this email to get the additional details of the payment or the package or about the package. So thank you for your attention.